Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your Science Online class, Class 4. From this video, we will be covering our T3 syllabus. In our T3 syllabus, we have chapter number 5, chapter 6 and chapter 7. So let's start chapter 5, Adaptation in Plants. We all see different type of plants and trees around us in our surroundings. Without plants, life is not possible on earth. Plants provide us food. Plants also give us air, that is oxygen, to breathe, and plants add beauty to our nature. Children, we know that there are different landforms present on earth, and plants are present on all these landforms, whether these are hilly regions or deserts or water or sea coasts and all other places. We can see plants everywhere. And this happens because plants have special features to adjust in their surroundings, and this special ability of adjustment is known as adaptation. Scientists have discovered that there are over 4 lakh different types of plants all over the world. So, in this chapter, we will be studying how plants adapt themselves in different landforms and they grow there. Plants are broadly classified into 2 groups according to their habitat. Terrestrial plants, the plants that grow on land, and aquatic plants, the plants that grow in water. In this video, we will study different types of terrestrial plants. Most of the plants grow on land and are called terrestrial plants. They are different depending on the type of soil and climate they grow in. These plants are subdivided into plants of hilly regions, deserts, sea coasts and marshy areas. Let us see them in detail and their adaptations. Let's study plants of hilly regions. Mountain areas have tall and straight plants. Trees like pines, deodars and firs grow in the hills. They are popularly known as coniferous trees or conifers. The weather is generally cold in the mountains, therefore these trees have needle-like leaves which help them to survive in extremely cold weather conditions. Coniferous trees do not bear much flowers, but they bear instead of flowers cones. The stem of these trees is thick, woody and straight. The series of terrestrial plants, the second type of plants are the plants that grow in deserts. As we all know that desert areas have very little rainfall. So to prevent the loss of water, the plants that grow here have spines instead of leaves. The examples of such plants are cactus, palm, beetlebush, and these plants have no leaves. The stem of these plants is green, which helps in the process of photosynthesis. The stem is also fleshy and it stores food and water in it. The root of these plants are widely spread so that they can catch water wherever they found it in the desert. Next type of terrestrial plants are the plants that grow in marshes. Marshes refers to the areas that lie near seashore, where rivers empty into the sea. These areas are wet, humid and have clayey soil with plenty of water around. The plants that grow in these areas are known as mangroves. As the soil here is covered with water, the roots do not get air to breathe and hence they grow out of the soil and water, and because they grow out of the soil, they are known as breathing roots. Examples of such plants are Candelia, Caryopsis, etc. So children, this was all about terrestrial plants. Read these topics thoroughly from the book also. In the next video, we will be studying about aquatic plants. Thank you and have a good day.